chapter number 2, Fun with Numbers, lecture number 4. So today's topic is Lazy Crazy Shop. Here are the one shop. Look at these different things. जो shop में से यहाँ पे कोई buy कर रहा है. So here are the packets of 100, packets of 10, and there is a loose items also. This is a jungle shop. ये जंगल के अंदर shop है. This is a jungle shop. Lazy Crazy gives things only in packets. The owner of this shop is lazy and crazy. The owner of this shop is lazy and crazy. They are only selling the things in a packets only. Packets of tens, packets of 100, and then loose items. Packets of hundreds, packets of 10, and then loose items. So find out how many packets of 10, how many packets of hundreds and loose items each animal will take. Fill in the blanks because this is a this shop is in jungle. ये जंगल में शॉप है तो but obviously वहाँ पे जो भी customers है वो कौन है? Animals है. So first animal is here rabbit. Rabbit buying the carrot. वो carrot ले रहा है. So 143 carrot. Rabbit is buying 143 carrot. So 143. 1 is in 100 place, then tens place, then ones place. So 100 का कौन सा पैकेट आया? Only one packet of 100. One packet of 100. 10 packets of 10. 10, 10, 10, 10. This is 10 4 times. So this is 40. And then 3 loose carrots. यानी 3 loose carrots दे दिए. So this is the packet of 100. 1 packet of 100, 4 packets of 10, and then 3 loose carrots. So this is 143. The next one, elephant buys sugar cane. The sugar cane का number क्या है? 210. The 100 place is 200. 210. So I draw here 2 packets of 100. 100 and 100. This is 200. So I draw here 2 packets of 100. This is 100 and 100, 200. Then on the one tens place there is a 1. So I draw here 1 packet only. And here are the on the ones place there is a 0 number. So I put that dash. वहाँ पे dash हो गया. The next one, the monkey. The next customer is monkey. Monkey buying bananas. Monkey buying bananas. How many bananas? 242. 242. So 200 is in here hundreds place. So I draw here 2 packets of 100 and 100. I draw here 2 packets of 100 and 100. Then the tens place 4. It means 40. So again I draw here 4 packets of tens. 4 packets of 10. So this is 40. And then 42. 2 is in ones place. So loose item में क्या हो जाएगा? 2. Here is a banana. So I draw here banana. This is 2 loose banana. And the last one here is a deer given. Deer का favorite क्या है? Leaf है. So leaf 552. 552 numbers of leaves. So 552. 5 is a number on the 100 place. So I drew here 5 packets of 100. This is a 5 packets of 100. 500 then 52. 52. 5 is in the tens place. So I draw here 5 bags of tens. 5 bags of tens यानी 50 and the last in the ones place 2. So I draw the 2 leaves. Here are the 2 leaves. After the buying the things, these all animals supposed to pay money to the shopkeeper. जो shopkeeper है lazy crazy, जो shop का owner है lazy and crazy. So these all animals pay money to the shopkeeper. But कैसे pay करेंगे वो देखते हैं. Lazy and crazy also have a crazy way of taking money. He takes only 100 rupee note, 10 rupee note and 1 rupee coin. Now find out how they will pay him for what they have taken. It means only lazy and crazy taken 100 rupee note, 10 rupee note and 1 rupee coin. So how these all animals pay this money to the lazy and crazy? Look at the first one, elephant is paying 420 rupees. 420 rupees. So 4 is in place of 100. So 400 it means 100 के 4 notes, 4 times 100. So I drew here 4 notes of 100. 100, 100, 100 and one more time 100. So this is 400. This is 400. Now in the tens place there is a 2. 20. So 2 notes of 10 rupee. 2 notes of 10 rupees and the ones place is 0, so no coin. The next one, rabbit paying 143. 143. 100 it means 100 rupee 1 note. 1 note of 100 rupee. Then the tens place 40. यानी 4 notes of 10 rupees. 4 notes of 10 rupees. And then 3 rupee. So ones place 3. So 1 rupee 3 coins. 1 rupee 3 coins. So this is 143. The next one, monkey supposed to pay 242. So 2 here is in 100 place. So I draw 2 notes of 100. 2 notes of 100. Then 42. So I draw 4 notes of 10. This is 240 and 2. So I draw 2 coins, 1 rupee, 2 coins. So this is 242. The last one, near paying 55 rupees only. This is ones place, this is tens place, here is 100 place not given. So in a 100 column we put a dash. This is 55. 50. So I draw 5 notes of 10 rupees. 5 notes of 10 rupees and the ones place 5. It means 5 coins. This is 5. So this is 55. After the lazy and crazy shop, the next topic is who am I? Match with the numbers. Who am I? Match with the numbers. Here are the statement is given and the numbers is given. Only we have to match. The first one, I come between 40 and 50. I come between 40 and 50 and there is a 5 in my name. There is a 5 in my name. 40 और 50 के बीच में. Between 40 and 50 and there is a 5 in my name. So 40 और 50 के बीच में we have to start counting 40 after 41, 42, 43, 44, 45. There is a 5. Then 46, 47, 48, 49 and 50. So what should be the answer? 45. So I match with this number, this statement with this 45. The next one, I have 9 in my name. I have 9 in my name and I am very close to 90. I am very close to 90. Now look at the all numbers. Which number is close to 90? It's close to 90. It means 90 के नजदीक कौन सा नंबर है? 96, 150, 89, 87 और 100. And the one more clue is given. I have 9 in my name. उसके अंदर 9 भी है. So 9 किसके अंदर है? This is 89 and this is 96. ये दोनों में 9 9 है. But which number is close to 9? ये दोनों में से कौन सा नंबर 9 के क्लोज है? So this is 89. Because of 89 में 1 ऐड कर दो, so 90 हो जाएगा. और this is 96, so 90 के प्लस करो 6 तो 96 मिलेगा. Which one number is close to 90? It's 89. So I match this number with 89. The next one, if you hit a 4 after me, you score a century. If you hit a 4 after me, अगर आप मेरे नंबर में 4 ऐड करते हो, if suppose I am a one number, if you add 4 in my number, आप मेरे में 4 ऐड करते हो, then you get a century, तो आपका सेंचुरी हो जाएगा. तो सेंचुरी, बट ऑब्वियसली सेंचुरी से लेस नंबर है, यानी 100 से लेस नंबर है. सो इफ यू हिट अ 4 आफ्टर मी, अगर मेरे में 4 ऐड करोगे देन यू गेट अ सेंचुरी. तो कौन सा नंबर ऐसा है कि जिसमें हम 4 ऐड करें देन वी गेट 100. वी हैव अ ऑप्शन 96, 150, 87 and 100. Yes, your answer is right. We go with the 96. 96 plus 4, then वो क्या बन जाएगा? सेंचुरी बन जाएगा. So I match with the 96. The next is I am equal to 10 knots of 10. I am equal to 10 knots of 10, यानी 10 के 10 knots. You do multiply simply. 10 के 10 knots. It means 10 tens are 100. So match with the 100. Now the next one, I am a century plus half century. You all know century it means 100. Century plus half century, यानी 100 plus half century यानी 50. So 150. What should be the answer? 150. It means 150. So this is the 150. And the last one, I am exactly in between 77 and 97. I am exactly in between 77 and 97. Exactly वो दोनों के बीच में. तो 77 और 97 के बीच में exactly कौन सा नंबर आता है? You go with the numbers 1 to 100 numbers देखो and then identify which one is the right number. So between 77 and 97, it's 87. It's 87. 77 plus 10 करो, then you get 87. और 97 minus 10 करो, then also you get 87.
आभार.